Welcome so much. If you are new this channel, you are welcome. This is where we do videos on wealth creation. Remember to subscribe and share. If you are a returning viewer, you are welcome. You are most welcome. Remember to share this video and let's move to the top. So in this video we are looking at how to add Gmail security, how to add security to Mavie accounts. Security is very important in online businesses. You need to secure your account. It is your responsibility to secure your account. It is not the company's sole responsibility. You have your own part to play. Some of us would like to blame the company for everything when we do not do our own part. So try to secure your account. The first thing is when log into your account, this is what you see. For those that have not do subscription for partnership, you will see this. Or if you have done it, may show you to extend it. So you now scroll up your normal dashboard. Remember, this account, you are in the home, you are at home. This is home, you are at home. If you're not at home, take it to home. Then you scroll up, come down here. You can see security, protect your account, enable email and or 2FA verification to log in. The security is to make sure that it is only you that can have access to your account. We have hackers in online. The company may be secure, but if you do not take security measures, you may lose your money, and at the end you blame yourself, not blame your leader or a company. Take responsibility. That's what I always say in business. So some people will say no need of security, but there is need of security. So how do you secure your account? You can see the first thing here is you can do both email verification security and authenticator security, or you can do email. At least do email if you cannot do the 2FA verification login, because that one is a little bit technical. But email, I will start with the email here so that from there we can proceed. So you click on enable now. See this button here that is showing blue. You tap on it, enable, and it will load. Enable. So as you are enabling it, you can edit your password if you want. If you think you want to change your password, you can change it. If you don't want to change your password, you can leave it. So I can edit this password from here now, or can go ahead and say enable. Protecting your account with email verification increases the safety of your account by 8,000%. Can you see? Can we see it here? The company is advising us to protect our account. It increases the safety of our account by 8,000%. Sorry, by 800%. So click on enable. That's the next step. Enable login with email. Email verification code. So the next step is to tap on this, tap on send code, and go to the email, copy the code, and come and paste. So we are tapping on send code now. The code is about to be generated. Okay, codes sent successfully. So I minimize, I go to my email, go to the email, you go to the email and get your code. Go to the same email that. So this is the code here. The code has been sent to this email. So this is a code, some digit number, about 7-digit number. Copy it, then come back and paste it. Then click enable. Email code successfully added. It has been enabled. So automatically in this account now, If you want to log in anytime, or if the person want to log in anytime, you have to go and copy the email code. You will do the same way that we did. You have to put the code to log in per each login. So this is the first step. Now the second step here is to set up the 2FA app. The 2FA app is another app. It's called Google Authenticator app. This is the app here, Authenticator. If you open it, this is how it looks like. So this is the app. If you can get it from Play Store or App Store, you need to download it first. You need to download the app first. If you don't have it, you go to Play Store. Let's go to Play Store. Just type Google Authenticator. Look at it here. Google Authenticator. We have Authenticator. We have Google Authenticator. So I'm going for Google Authenticator. And this how it will show. If you have not yet added it to your phone, it will show download. Once you download, you click open. And that is it. You have access to it. So the next thing now is to come to your Mavie account and click on setup. Once you click on this setup, and see you can set up by either using the scan code, the QR code, or you set it up by copying this. And remember that this thing you are copying is very important. If you're unable to scan QR code, please enter this code manually. You copy this code here and put it manually in the Google Authenticator. When you come to Google Authenticator, my screen in the Authenticator may not show because of security. So if you didn't see it, but just follow the step, you will see what I'm doing. Before the step, you should get it right. So you click on add. Add setup key. Add setup key. The key will be pasted there. So what I just copied, I can come and save it in my email. That code I copy, I will come and save it in my email. I'm going to paste it here, or you can write it down somewhere. You write it down somewhere. I'm just pasting that so that I can copy it and write it down somewhere. So after we are writing down the code, you now come back to the your Mavie and click on next. Click on next. Then you now send code again. The next step, click on this send code and copy the code from the email and copy the code from the email and paste it. All right. You need to be fast because of security. If you delay, you start all over again. So let me see. Okay. Already email is enabled. It's now enabled 2FA. Okay. This is where we were before. So you need to be fast. I'll copy it again. Copy it. I'll write it down somewhere. So after you copy this, you write it down somewhere, and then you click. You now go to your Google Authenticator and use manual method to add it up. You paste it. So having paste it manually in the Google Authenticator, you now click on next. Then click on send code. to now verify both the email and the Google Authenticator. So the first thing, I go to the email, go down to the email, go to my inbox. This is the code here. This one now is to add the Google Authenticator. So I paste. So I'll now go for the first time to the Google Authenticator and copy the code for the particular account. The time is going, so I need to allow it. A new one will start. Okay. So I copy it, copy the first code and paste. So enabled. So you can see from here, 2FA Authenticator is activated. You have successfully activated 2FA Authenticator on your account. You can now withdraw your funds. Now, this key, you can see a key here, a pop-up. This key will allow you to recover your authenticator should you lose your phone. Otherwise, the setting Google Authenticator would take at least 7 days. So, sometimes if you lose your phone, you need to put this in another phone, because this account will be attached to your phone. That's what it means. The phone that has this Google Authenticator. So if maybe you change phone, if you want to import it to another phone, you need this code to import it, or it will take you 7 days. So you copy this code, copy it and go and paste it somewhere. You can paste it, write it somewhere. You can paste it in your Gmail or anywhere it is secure, and save it. So I've gone and save it. So you now click on finish. So already it's what is enabled automatically. If I come back to home now and go down, it's no longer showing me add Google Authenticator. It's now enabled. So this is basically how to put in a Google Authenticator and email verification. Remember, it's very important to secure your account. In the decentralized world, you are the security. You are the first chief security of your account. So thanks for watching the video. You are watching more videos on this. Next, we are looking at the withdrawal. So remember, subscribe and share. I'm getting more updates on this Mavie and other blockchain opportunities. Thanks for watching.